Nyaka, we just finished the dashboard design for your organization. And here today, I just use the test data to make a live demand how the dashboard works. And I hope you can understand. If you have any comments, just let me know. Your valuable insights, is really kind of important to us. Based on your comments, we can improve. And if you're satisfied with these dashboards, we can just switch from the test data to live data and deploy, then switch the dashboard to you immediately. So you can use it for validate the kind of pilot data or use for the coming formal contracts. Okay, now we begin to the live demand. Firstly, you will look at dashboards. We start from the overall user kind of analysis. For example, how many users you have kind of are doing the job and total checkups and something of that. And also we will give you the kind of draw of like the checkup over time and the user engagements. Of course, the user here mentioned is CHW, community health worker, because each individual prediction is under each associated to each CHW. So here you will when you saw the dashboard here from the first part, you will understand how the job been done by CHW. Here you will see is a description of each kind of CHW, how many predictions have been done, and how the process overall. And then next is population overall health. That is AI analysis based on all population overall health. Maybe million, maybe 2 million or half a million. It's up to you. But here make a demand. I just do a two patients analysis because I linking two patients data. So you will see like the results. For example, you have two patients, right? And how many patient improve, how many patient is stable, and how many patient is like worsening, and give you an overall kind of overall health score. So it's 60, and the situation is worsening. So here you will kind of notice we give you some kind of key findings, based on the population data. It's not individual but population. And then here we give you a program evaluation results based on the data we discovered. In this case, it failed. So, like overall, the program requires some more robotic monitoring and emergency intervention protocol to handle severe case. And then we also give you recommendation. And then next is a CHW health record. This is record associated to each kind of CHW. Then, for example, I choose the second one. I click the button, so you will see all patient data associated to this community health worker. How many patients have been screening? So and each prediction. But you must keep in mind because each patient maybe have several kind of uh, prediction results. So you should create the patient as you wish and then link each prediction to the patient. So I just make an sample, let you know how it been done. For example, now I add another patient. For example, the name is John, and the gender is kind of female. For example, and database, both data just like for example, just okay. Then create the patient. Okay, we have create another patient, John, and then we linking the results to this patient. For example, linking the patient, these analysis results, we linking to John. Okay, this is the first. And the second will be I link this prediction. Okay, this is also belong to John. And I also link another one. For example, this one, we also linking to John. So once the prediction results, have been linked to the patient here, see, we have three prediction and be linked to John. So we just click the results, for example, AI analysis. Then we will, based on each prediction results, and generate kind of a comprehensive AI analysis for John. So in this case, John's kind of overall health in the U is improving, and here give you the overall score and the chance in this case is improving obviously from the line draw, and also give you a summary and the recommendation. This data is results is literally from the each kind of prediction results. And in same case, for example, George also linking to two prediction results and give you a result of overall analysis of the individual. And here Beniac and access each prediction results. It's easy. Just click the button and you will instantly see all the kind of prediction results for each prediction each time. For example, here you have image and you can see like kind of analysis results, condition, diagnosis summary, and each AI module output. All the data will be displayed here instantly. So it's very easy, kind of convenient, for you to access each prediction results. And meanwhile, we can link each prediction to same patient. So we will initially so easy to check the overall, the overall house, how overall health changing over time. It's improving, worsening, and give you overall results, how kind of analysis of each individual's overall health. So this is like how kind of personal individual data is to be checked and make a live demand for you. So here AI is playing a big role because based on AI, you not only can check each individual each prediction results, but also can checking individuals overall changing, how the kind of overall health of each individual has been changed, you know. And then you can go back to dashboard here, because in this case, we have just add a new patient here. So in this case, we can generate a button lead analysis, because we could be like analyze all the data again. Now here, look, because we just add a new patient, so here is total patient will be becoming 3, one improving, one stable, another worsening. So the average score is 70. And here, because it's stable, so you will see give you a new key findings based on new discovery, and then they give you program kind of evolution because it said it's stable. So while the average score is respectful, so the program face a significant challenge with the 33 population experience a sharp decline in health. So like it needs a strong pathway for accurate care, something, and give you some kind of recommendation, so you can continue to analyze if you kind of add more patient on data sets. But I advise you don't always like instantly analyze. You should kind of enough data to analyze all the population data. So in this case, I just want to emphasize again, with the help of these dashboards, you are able to use our RVAI over overall health kind of a checkup. Use these tools, and with the help of you community health worker to reach out each individual, and then with the help of these dashboards can collect each individual's data to be aggregate in kind of into our dashboards. You not only can checking view all each prediction results, but also can aggregate each individual's data and watching monitoring how the overall health and overall health have been changed over time, and give you the insights of each individual and help you to improve the well-being of individual, of course, their overall health. Meanwhile, you can still aggregate all individual patients kind of data, and then you can analyze the population overall health changing and give you key insights, because this is very valuable for your organization to draft the protocol or draft a strategic decision to take pragmatical measurement to improve the Indian kind of overall health in a very high level. So I hope you can enjoy these dashboards. And if you have any kind of comments, just let me know, because I'm ready to switch from the testing data to your pilot data, because I noticed your pilot finished. So if you don't have any comments, I just would like to just switch the data, tomorrow, and just can, switch dashboard to you, to verify your results. And if you continue to use the dashboards, we can continue to improve, just cooperate with the organization. And I hope this kind of design will be valuable for you. And I hope, with your help, the India community overall health will improve to large degree. Thank you so much for your time.